What do you think of this road? Fucking
car is freaking amazing.
roller coaster. Yeah.
Either a cop or somebody's out here.
You guys slow down. There's something up ahead. You should have waved to him like thumbs up. It's like it's so nimble. It just like flows through it, you know.
It's crazy. I was actually scared, dude.
But like, did you feel like I ever fucked up,
I
or
was
yeah?
scared of the car.
It's just going so fast.
What if there's a pickup truck just standing there, like trying to use her?
Right.
Same thing on a bike. Like I know I trust myself.
Oh,
on
yeah,
the road,
yeah.
But I'm like, I could come around and somebody could have spilled a whole pile of rocks out.
Yep.
Like dirt. Or there could be a car just like dead steady standing there, you know.
Exactly.
Oh, a cop.
This guy's cool. Oh, there's a truck, I think. Yeah, the truck can't make it. Oh, you guys, there's a truck that tried to go down this route. Oh, shit.
He's trying to turn around. Oh, he's stuck, dude.
Yeah, he's stuck. He's fucked.
His back end just dug in, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, let me record this.
Oh, shit. That's hella funny. Why the fuck would you think?
Where is he going, dude?
Yeah, right. Oh, shit.
Think he's gonna get a fine?
Oh, a big ass fucking fine.
He will?
Yeah, hella big fine. Because there was hella signs like, dude, no trucks over this length, no trucks at all, end of truck route, a bunch of shit. So he, disregarded a bunch of signs that said, don't go here if you're a big truck. I don't know what he was thinking. I'll just follow my GPS.
Good luck them trying to see us at this speed. All you can see is a red blur.
But see, when I go over those crests, I make sure I'm not in the middle of turning.
Oh, my BMW's gonna eat shit.
Yeah, you got to be careful when you're going over like a bump, like a jump. Dude, you don't want to be steering. You don't want to be on the throttle. You want to be braking. You just want to go over with your steering wheel straight, not on the gas, not on the brake. Like almost like you're going over a jump on your motorbike. and you want to be aligned to where you want to land, because you're just going over it straight, you know. If you're thinking you're gonna go over it smashing and make it into the corner, fuck no, dude. Let's hope these are kind people that could take a hint.
Grandma and Grandpa came out for a little scenic drive.
Watch, all of a sudden, like, you start smashing and like we can't keep up.
They don't give the point after a while, just give them a little honk.
I think they
Not a full honk, just like a dude.
I may pull over, yeah, but I'll give them a chance, like, see if there's like a good spot for them to pull over, you know. There's really no place where they could. But you see what I'm saying? It's like so like flowing, and it's like you really got to know how to go over, you know, bumps and crests. Almost like you got to have like dirt bike experience, you know what I mean? When you're on a dirt bike, when you go over a jump, you're not trying to steer over that jump, you know what I mean? You're not trying to, like, you know, fucking brake.
Relax. A lot of people over, like, it gets intense and they get all stiff.
Yeah.
Relax yourself and relax your body and go with the flow, you know?
Yeah, and
no sudden jerky movements.
Yup, and you don't want the bike to be accelerating before,
especially on
or
your bike, your rear end is gonna slide around. That's normal. You gotta learn how to ride like with it.
yeah, exactly.
No matter how good your tread is, in dirt, anything, sand, you're gonna slide around.
Yeah.
And like if you are like really trying to control it, you're gonna be so tired. Your forearms are gonna be dead, everything. But if you just relax your hands, and
Yeah.
just go with it.
Almost like judo, you know, working with the flow.
Gracias. What is this place? I never heard of it.
Don't worry about it.
Just keep this my secret.
Yeah.
If you relax and just think of the G-forces, you'll feel them.
You felt those?
Yeah.
Going up?
Can you imagine jet fighters? The kind of shit that you go through? Have you seen the tests they do?
Yeah, like AGs and shit.
And they like literally just pass out.
Yeah.
The body can't really just, you can see his face, it just completely goes blank. And then once they bring it down, then he goes back to normal.
Yep.
And they keep doing it just to get your body used to it. In training, if you've seen any of the training videos, it's intense. Sorry, I'm all distracted here.
Nah, man, I'm good.
Oh, somebody's trying to cross. What? Where are you gonna sit? You wanna climb in the trunk, bruh? What are you doing? Where are you gonna go?
Smoothness?
that car would be into a wall right now. Like, I'm just so used to driving it that I'm like, shit. But this one is slow.